Hello. Learn how to make money work for you. Earn while sleeping. Anyway, my advice with that is attend a financial literacy training, a business forum training seminar, investing training, so that you can learn financial literacy training. What I learned there is handling money, good steward, budgeting, and pay myself first, and investing. And about the business, I attend the Agri Business Forum training seminar. But that's how many years ago? That's long time ago. One time only. What I want to learn this time is I want to learn how marketing, because that's my weakness. I don't know how to market the products. I try to I don't know how to convince the people to buy my products. When I promote or when I ask them to to buy the products that I'm selling, they rejected me. That's my weakness. But what I learned first is handling money, being a good steward, and budgeting, investing. I learned how to make the money work for me instead of me working for money. And about the business forum seminar, I learned something there, but I did not apply it yet in my life because I don't have my business yet. Planning. I'm planning. It's part of my goal anyway. To put up my own business someday. Anyway, have a good night sleep, everyone, and see you tomorrow. I just want to share about how to make your money work for you. While sleeping, you're earning. Your money is earning even though you're sleeping. Attend a financial training seminar, investing seminar, and business forum seminar, training seminar. That's all for now, guys. Have a good night's sleep and see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, everyone.